Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
So today, I'm here to say thank you to the residents who have been very patient and understanding, and to commit in a very serious way that, number one, government is committed to ensuring that Jamaica has world-class infrastructure. Whether it is your bridges, your roads, your drains and culverts, Jamaica must have world-class infrastructure. And we're committing to that, and we're saying to the residents of the district here that even if your community is a rural community, you too deserve to have world-class infrastructure. Second commitment, we commit as a government to build the infrastructure in such a way that it requires the least maintenance in order for it to fulfill and exceed its engineering life. Bridge that was here before, built during colonial times, certainly not built with the technology that we have now. It lasted for 155 years. This bridge should last even longer, even with the growing threats of climate change.
Afternoon, I'm Dr. Campbell, Gensec of the PNP. I'm here with Comrade Paul Patmore, our candidate for South Trelawney. And we are at the location of the Troy Bridge. As you can see, Paul Burke and others in the background there, trying to get their hand in the side. Now, this is a bridge that has been down for several years, and we've heard from the government that this bridge is near completion. Now you can judge for yourself today. I'm literally tired of arguing with the government about simple things, and so I just want for you to look and judge for yourself. Not show me. Just look at it and tell if you think this is near completion. We really need a change in government. We need an honest government that can provide effective, honest representation to the people. And so we are recommending highly that Comrade Paul Patmore should be given a chance to be the Member of Parliament for South Trelawney, so that we can get real progress for the people.
Female of Jamaica is 1:29 in the morning, and I just watched a broadcast news a while ago, a rebroadcast news, and it just pissed me the fuck off. This is from our Justice Minister, Delroy Breadback fucking Chunk. Females, anywhere you think you feel like your life is in danger and feel like, notice your surrounding. Notice your surrounding. Because you see, if you get RAP today, the man them getting away like this. Because you know what the Justice Minister says? In Parliament, this bitch in Parliament talking and shaking up himself and giggling. And saying that men are mostly adventurous and women are laid back, and they're talking about RAP in Parliament, and this is what Delroy Breadback fucking Chunk gotta say. Okay, that men are adventurous and female are laid back, and this fucking bitch ass motherfucker come back saying When men RAP and go to prison and spend 5 and 6 years and come back to the community, they intend to spend a second sentence because community intend to ridicule them for the rest of their life and they need second chances. But at the end of the day, the same fucking justice minister, they sit down and change the law for children and say children now gonna do life imprisonment. They're gonna put kids in prison for life when they commit certain crime. But men who are RAPING in women, right? They're supposed to come back to community and live a normal life, and we are supposed to give them a second chance because you don't have the slightest idea what it's like when a man forces himself on to a female without our consent, what it did to her mentally. But Justice Minister Delroy Breadback Chunk, I hope to God you is one of the illicit six. So when the day come and y'all go to prison, a man can bend you over with him big 15-inch and bend some cock under your body wall and let you feel what that feel like, and then come back and fucking tell me if you would want a man that RAP you to come back in society and live a normal life. But you all are a group of wicked people. But you see, like your prime minister take the batty money. So I don't expect nobody in his cabinet to have any feelings for women. None. You all 8 females. You all 8 fucking females. And if you all notice the trend today is 1 and 2 men have respect for female. These men, especially these boys, both of them, a lot of older men and these boys don't have no respect for women. If they call to you and you don't answer the words that they tell you, if they want your number and you don't give it to them the word that they tell you, these men treating females today like they out of existence and they're nobody. These men are treating females today like a out of body them come from. A lot of them totally forget that tomorrow is Mother's Day. The only reason why a lot of them go and jump up and say Mother's Day tomorrow is because they want to look like somebody on TikTok. But these men 8 females. They 8 females. And this is crazy. This is crazy when I listen to the justice minister talking like that. No, man, I don't. You know what? I'm going to stop watching these kind of news because right now, my eyes start to hurt me again. I can't manage this shit.
I man said, blessed love to all revolutionists and freedom fighters in the diaspora. Big up on yourself, man. You see me? And all who die yard, big up on yourself. Blessed love. Talk your mind at top of the press, big up on yourself. Well, I man said, blessed Mother's Day to all of the decent and good mother, you know. Yeah, man, caring mothers. You see me? Blessed Mother's Day to all of you know. At top of the press, big up yourself. Blessed Mother's Day to you. Yeah, my princess. Big up yourself, yeah, man. Fire tea, blessed Mother's Day to your wife and thing. Big up on yourself. See? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, big up on a nice and decent self. I have to say big up again. You see me? Talk your mind. Yeah, man. One Talk Your Mind TV, big up yourself. Yeah, man. One at top of the press, big up yourself to again. You see me? Yeah, man. And I man say, man, condolence to the lady where you lose him daughter. You see me? Your mother. Yeah, man, I shall 11 condolence, you know, see it? And may Almighty life, Mother Earth and the ancestors, you see, give you strength, you know, yeah, man, to carry on, you see me? But I am saying now, Delroy Chuck, old Beckford Chuck, yeah, man, you must proud of yourself now, don't? You must fucking proud of yourself now, yeah? Hiding the sex offenders list. And talk about they will be going through trauma if they go and do sentence and come out back. And the people in the era them know that this man was a raper. You see me? He might go through trauma. This lady now go through trauma now. That losing blood clot that a little dirty boy Chuck. You bumbo well, you see you use a drunk. You see me? The whole of you know, in a Jamaica Labour Party, a petty filers. So that's why you hide the sex offenders list. This boy got prison for raping one family already. And through you, he could come in another era, come rape and kill one 9-year-old. Yo, you know want some blood clot lick out of some tire. They'll ride Chuck. You want to get tied up and beat till you can't even sit down on your body a blood clot. Yo, you're a dirty boy. Eh? I come talk about man a look adventures and woman a tied up. You know see me? See? Look on this little picnic now. And all of these dirty blood clot labor right. You see me? System dog where I follow back at you. I don't see them come out and come and lick out against you and say, boy, you should ensure the sex offender list. You have to release it. That people can know who these raper is. You see me? A long time them thing you are going. But this one, Almighty Life, Mother Earth and the ancestors, yeah. I feel show you up what you is. You go talk about man I go through trauma after raping. Remember, you know, no man no control no man pussy, you know. No woman no control no man wood. We are both sharing, you see me? Me I share my wood and she a share her pum pum, you see me? We no one. So some man we are going like say them one woman pussy and want kill woman for them pussy and all them something there. No go so. Where the woman have a fear. You see it? If you can't take what the woman a do with it, you're lefty. You see me? Plus, you can take it when they no give you. You see me? See? Much less a little 9-year-old. Remember, you know, the man rape a 12-year-old already, you know, and go do 3 years at prison. And they'll write Chuck. Hide it. Hide it. Only police. You know? And people who in the government, you know. Me know say I one of them, I found no picnic, them after I found no blood clot picnic, the boy go rape. You del right, Chuck. I should have your grand picnic. You see me? Because if you release the sex offenders list, people would now watch this boy. They would now watch him. He would have to keep isolate. You don't see it? Because everywhere you go, people would have hype on him. No. But you know, pedophiles in a Jamaica Labour Party, you have to hide the list because there is other people where in the Jamaica Labour Party executive there, we rape too, little picnic too. You see me? So no want nobody to know that there was on charge or there was an investigation. Yeah. I hope you feel proud. I hope you feel proud. You see me? And I am wondering if this fool Labour right where I run back on and talk about third term, I go vote you in after this. I could have want to picnic too. I could have want to love one. That one love. You see me? And this boy come, rape this little baby. Analyze this little baby. You see me? But me I tell you no, me a Babsy Grimes I come talk about left the law. Make the law do what them fi do. Left which blood clot law. People if you no hold him, you know fi kill him blood clot to and stuff him in a something too. He no fi reach to no law system because when the police then go out and analyze innocent people picnic, they do not carry them to no court and make no justice system prove if them guilty or innocent. No, they are judge, jury, and executioner. So this boy no go face no judger. Because he coming like Delroy Chuck, him get a kick when man rape people and people pick me, like he get a kick out of it. So he want to hide it, hide the sex offenders list, so that the man can come back and rape again. Look on this little girl, 9-year-old, look on this big old blood clot tartaram. A boy like this to get tied up in our hand's nest and honey him all over and wake up the hands them. You see me? Yeah, man. Trip him naked and left him blood clot there. Honey would properly. Yeah, and left him there. You know see it? For weeks till him blood clot dead. He's a wicked little boy this. Wicked. You see me? See? But who is to be blamed? Delroy Chuck. People who no vote out them bumbleclot out of government. Vote them out. Delroy Chuck will come out of Jamaica house. You know see me? You forget hold by your foot and draw outside and wheel and leg of your blood clot down the road. That's what will happen to you, Delroy Chuck. Yeah, man, you're a corrupt, wither, sibble up, blood clot, shithouse. You. Nobody else to be blamed, my people, but Delroy Chuck. And you saw Jamaican people keep it quiet. When we find out we don't know a bandwagonist. Other people business you know like fuck around it. But Funo, we don't want to do nothing about it. Look at them people there. Look at the girl who raped them in this country. See? And look how the people do them burn down blood clot hotel. The hotel. You see me? A riot the people they have over it. We not tell you if you have no riot and burn down the way, you know. Yeah. But you know if you come out and talk, pressure Delroy Chuck to release the sex offenders list. But I know when Honorable Marky G. Golin come in, a different something, it will go publish. Because any man that get justice, the justice minister and security minister, you see me, and commissioner of police and DPP, they are going to publish it. Not like the Jamaica Labour Party gangster, you know see it, notorious gang, you see me, we're in a parliament. You see it, these criminal, this lady now have to be mourning and in family through Delroy Chuck. Through Delroy Chuck, you know. Hide the sex offenders list. Hide it from the Jamaican people. And
oh, no go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we younger. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people that vote them out cause them not see we when we younger. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in a the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do a wedding call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people that vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them